I've been exploring the CareCredit mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the CareCredit mobile app. First, let's talk about what CareCredit actually offers. CareCredit is a healthcare financing credit card designed to help you pay for medical, dental, veterinary, and even certain retail health expenses. The mobile app basically puts all of that functionality right in your pocket. You can log in securely, use Face ID or Touch ID for quick access, and get instant access to your digital card for purchases with enrolled providers. The app allows you to check your balance and credit limit anytime, view statements, manage payments, track promotional purchase dates, and even pay bills directly to participating doctors or clinics. It also has a provider search feature, so you can find nearby locations that accept CareCredit. One of the biggest positives is convenience. If you've ever been stressed about paying for an urgent treatment, the ability to apply, get approved, and pay right from your phone can be a lifesaver. Several users highlight how it's helped them cover unexpected vet or medical bills, while giving them promotional repayment terms. For example, 6 months with no interest if paid in full. Access to reminders and promotional tracking is another plus, as it can help you avoid surprise interest charges. However, there are some negatives worth noting. Not all providers offer the same financing options, and the app doesn't make it clear beforehand what each provider allows. This can lead to frustration if you assumed you'd qualify for a longer-term plan only to be offered fewer months interest-free. Some users have also reported issues with customer service, including rude interactions and difficulty resolving account concerns. Another common complaint is that certain CareCredit cards, especially older ones, can suddenly be declined if they don't carry the updated MasterCard logo. And upgrading isn't guaranteed for all users. Lastly, there have been concerns about transparency around data sharing with third parties, as indicated by users who receive credit offers addressed to mistyped names from the CareCredit system. Overall, the CareCredit mobile app is fast, secure, and useful if you're already using the CareCredit card or plan to. It's particularly valuable for managing medical and veterinary expenses and keeping track of promotional repayment periods. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.